Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to link Switch wallet to Sweatcoin. So let's get started. So if you want to log in Switch wallet to your Sweatcoin, then what you can do is first of all install your Switch wallet application. After installing Switch wallet, what you can do is just simply open it, and after opening it up, now what you can do is just tap on login with Sweatcoin. And after tapping on that, now you can just simply tap on sign up with Google, and then select the email account that you have created your Sweatcoin account with. So just select it and then tap on access physical activities, and then tap on allow. After tapping on allow, just tap on enable Google Fit, and after doing that, now you have successfully linked your Switch wallet to your Sweatcoin account. So you just have to log in both accounts with the same email or the same phone number that you have used. So that's it guys, this is how to link Switch wallet to Sweatcoin. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.